It's me, Madison. Today we're back with another Fabfitfun box, and this is their winter box. So with this box, you get 4 times a year because they do seasons: spring, summer, winter, and fall. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. And this is the winter box, if you can't tell. And basically, there's supposed to be up to $200 worth of stuff in this box for $50. So it's really not that bad. So let's get started. The first thing when you open it you see is always a little magazine and a bunch of cards. The magazine usually tells you what's in the box, so I'm not going to look at it. Okay. First thing I see is an eye mask from Black. So I got these black eye masks and these are $29. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 of them, so it's not that bad. Next thing I got was a Moroccan Gold series, and it's a treatment mask for damaged or dry or damaged hair, and it uses argan oil, and this is for $50. So right here is the cost of a box, and here's what it looks like. Ooh, it smells really good. That's pretty good. Next, I see a hydration cream mask by Ahava Hydrate, and this is $33. Next thing I see is 2 essential oils, eucalyptus or sweet orange, and these are $31. Here's this one. I don't know what's the smell. Oh, that's eucalyptus. I don't like the smell of eucalyptus. But there's an orange one. Ooh. I love that one. It smells like Sunny D. So, those were those. Now we have this, and it's a jade roller. And it is $45. This is $45. What is this for? It's no wonder that this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by emperors in the centuries. The jade roller has stimulating energy and promotes a feeling of relaxation. This is $45.
So it's heavy.
And it's heavy, so my mom will probably use this. This is a Thrive Cosmetics highlighting stick, and this is $24. Here's what it looks like. Good packaging. Not that bad. Next thing is dry shampoo from Orbi, and this is $44 for dry shampoo. I heard this smells really good, so it smells like hairspray. I don't know what that smells like. We got that. Then we got a throw, and this is $50. Let's see how big it is. That's a good size. It's like a good throw. It's a really big throw. Okay, well here's our blanket. And next we have, I don't know. We got some Frisbees. So this is a Brokenberg body sliders. These will just probably end up being dog frisbees for my dogs. Oh, you're supposed to like, I don't know what end this is, but we're gonna figure it out. Wait. So they're like plates. Frisbees. But yeah. So that is it for the Fabfitfun box. So it's not bad. The total value is either $290 to $335 depending on what you got. So I'll leave the link down below if you want to purchase yourself a Fabfitfun box. I would totally recommend it. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!